in the quiet of the water, in a world so soft and small. Hear a heartbeat over mine, the sweetest sound of all. Mommy, when you talk, I dance inside your light. I dream of holding on to you, of being in your arms each night.
Your laugh becomes my sunshine, your tears become my rain. But every beat inside me whispers, I love you just the same.
Just life was never meant to be thrown away. I'm growing just to meet you someday. I hear your voice, I know your name. In your womb I dream and pray. Mommy, I'm alive in every way. Life was never meant to be thrown away. One day I hear you cry, I hear voices filled with fear. Grandma, grandpa, everyone, their footsteps drawing near.
I cannot see their faces, but I know them in my heart. I feel the love, I feel the tension pulling everyone apart.
Then someone's voice grows deeper, cold and loud. I feel you shake.
So I start kicking hard to reach you. Mommy, I'm here, please stay awake.
I'm trying so hard to tell you, I'm trying to let you know. I hear everything around me, and I don't wanna let go. Just life was never meant to be thrown away. I'm growing just to meet you someday. I hear your voice, I know your name. In your womb I dream and pray. Mommy, I'm alive in every way. Life was never meant to be thrown away. And the world around me changes, and the warmth begins to fade.
I feel pulling, I feel pressure, and I whisper unafraid.
Mommy, mommy,
Can you hear me?
I'm trying hard to stay.
I'm still your baby, still your heartbeat. Please don't push me away.
Guess life was never meant to be thrown away.
Every heartbeat has something to say.
Mommy, I love you more each day. Even when I fade away, I wanted to meet you, come what may. Life was never meant to be thrown away.